Come, a wee sleekit wren, come to the hidden glen, awa in the gloamin Mary has gone. Gie me your cauld wee haund, I'll show you Elfinlaund, blithely she skips alang, Mary has gone. Cry, wind for evermair, sigh, till you sigh nae mair, breathe for the flight o' the wings o' the swan, into the dawn. You'll ride on a unicorn and dance to the pipes upon, sic delichts, fill her in, Mary has gone. See the knowe yon, soon you'll dine wi' Oberon, Dreamin o' gowden shoon, Mary has gone. Cry, wind for evermair, sigh, till you sigh nae mair, breathe for the flight o' the wings o' the swan, into the dawn. We'll bide by this rowan, soon our lichts 'll be glowin, she can hear fiddles bowin, Mary has gone. The next growin cauld, my lamb, Alow, my plaid, I'll keep you warm, she kens they'll no be back till dawn, Mary has gone. Cry, wind for evermair, sigh, till you sigh nae mair, breathe for the flight o' the wings o' the swan, into the dawn. Madu, you're tremblin', Madu, how soft your skin. Who she wants hame again, Mary has gone. My puss had your fashion, your yowling and scratching. Who she cries in her pain, Mary has gone. Cry, wind for evermair, sigh, till you sigh nae mair, breathe for the flight o' the wings o' the swan, into the dawn. My pet, hush your greeting, say quiet you lie sleeping, say still she lies in the cauld licht o' dawn, high in the hidden glen, lying where nane will ken. Blood stains the heather, and Mary has gone. Cry, wind for evermair, sigh, till you sigh nae mair, weep o'er the breast as white as the swan, Mary has